أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد ربي يسر ولا تعسر ربي تمم بالخير آمين. Today we're gonna start the Quran Alpha lessons. Now we have the student named Humo Yun. He from Uzbekistan. He learned Muallim Sani in Uzbekistan in early days. Now he forgot almost. We're gonna do again from the beginning. Today is the first lesson. We're gonna use the one of the Alif Ba books published in Turkey, Diyanet. There are lots of Alif Ba books. This is mostly easy and simple one and fast one. We're gonna doing this. First, we have to learn about, before starting today's lesson, we're going to learn about harfs, letters. How many harf in Quran Kareem? Quran Kareem we have total 28 harfs. Humoyun, how many harf?
28 harfs in Quran Kareem.
Yeah, mashallah. You have to memorize this, okay? And then we're going to analyze more. Among 28 harfs, some harf sound more thicker and stronger, and some harf is soft and thinner. And some harf sound changes according to haraka. You're going to learn later. So, among 28 harfs, 7 harf we say thick harf. Thick in English when you say the thicker. The opposite is a thinner. I'm going to give you more why we talking this way, thick and thinner. I'm going to explain you more again, details. So how many harf is thick harf? 7. Yeah, you must memorize it later, and they're very essentials. And then one harf is sometimes you pronunciate thicker, sometimes you pronunciate thinner. But don't say this like a middle, okay? This is not a middle. There's no middle. Thicker or thinner. The one harf. So how many harf we have? 20 harf.
20 harf.
Yeah, very nice. So 20 harf is soft and thinner. Thin. Yeah. Now I'm going to explain you what is about the thick and thin sound. Actually, sound, there is any thick or thin sound, isn't it? What we're saying about thick and thin, that's about our tongue shapes. When we pronunciate 7 thick harf, that means that our tongue, look at me, imagine this is our tongue. Tongue is getting thicker. Mostly, let's say this front part. Let's say this is the back part. Back part is raised up. So, how we say? Repeat after me. Now imagine where your tongue, like a flat, isn't it? One more. And not only sound. Imagine where your tongue now. Right? Now repeat me. More exaggerations, and open your mouth and pulling back your tongue backside. Say that. How? Your tongue is rolling back up, right?
Yes.
So first when you say it's like flat, thin. But when you say say that. It's a more back part is going raised up.
Yes.
You feel that your tongue become thicker, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. What is it? When you pronunciate 7 thick harf, your tongue position similar like that. Another thin harf, you see when you pronunciate, tongue is very natural and very easy, just flat. So what is the matter? When you speak the opposite, then the sound comes wrong way. Yeah, thin harf should you pronunciate say thin way, thick harf you have to pronunciate thick way. And one harf, sometimes you have to read thicker. Sometimes you have to read thinner. Yeah, that's all. So let's review again. How many harfs in Quran Kareem?
28 harfs.
20 harfs. How many harfs is a thick harf?
7.
MashaAllah. And how many harf is sometimes a thick, sometimes a thin?
There is 1 harf.
Good. And how many harf is a thin and soft?
20 harfs.
MashaAllah.